You see that bad bitch with me, man?
Coolin' with Eskimo.
She walk around the club by herself, showing ain't saving Atlanta, so you probably. Hey, nigga, I'm a hope seed, little nigga, you can beat it. She got red on the bottom of her shoe, and you can see it. While you found out the mouth about a number, you can keep saying.
This is a special occasion. I got my daughter Sagittarius with me so we can let you all know. Antoine, I'm proud of you, boy. Got my baby fat on for you to know. Damn right, I get it. Making all these deposits. Antoine need bail.
Free Antoine.
Sure I dig deep in my wallet. I gotta find some change. The babies need pampers. Damn, now they shitty. What the fuck you gonna do? I'd rather have my boo than have to wipe up boo-boo. So 50 years tonight, I'm getting me some dick. He had good behavior, so he getting out on the 5th. We gon' barbecue, cause my food stamps to the roof. I got them Ratchet food stamps, boo. We shitting on y'all hoes on welfare. My baby's got good hair. Antoine half Puerto Rican, and I stay with Remy. Let them know, baby on the floor. He split on his table, making sure they know he free. He release. He free. He release. My baby free, my baby free. Jiggy for Antoine, he free. No more 2013, yeah, he free. He the split, no, cause he free. No more 2013. He free.
Free Antoine. Free Antoine. Free.
Okay. Yeah.